up guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day 11. I have failed at vlogging obviously because I didn't upload a video yesterday. I'm gonna make up for it, you guys. So yesterday we had kind of like an emergency with my dad. He had to be sent to the emergency room and stuff. He's fine, but it was just a medication that he took that didn't settle with him, so his pressure went down and stuff, but he's okay. He's at home, so that's why I wasn't able to upload yesterday. I was going to wake up early and film a cleaning video to have it up yesterday. My friend Marita gave me that idea. It didn't work out that way. I woke up and I was so anxious, kind of stressed about making like all of the things for her party because it's so close already. I am going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be making her sugar cookies today. My throat kind of hurts. It's already lunchtime probably. But I went to go buy this stuff to make her sugar cookies. I went to go buy breakfast. Grecia ate pancakes from McDonald's. I bought a rotisserie chicken from the store with some tortillas de maíz and some chili powder. I had a really good breakfast. I needed to clear out the countertops and stuff because there's a big old mess. And I like to have a clean space when I'm going to bake. So this is pretty much everything that you're gonna need. Unsalted butter, sugar, granulated sugar, flour, confectioner sugar, eggs. So these are the ingredients for the royal icing. Meringue powder, light corn syrup, vanilla extract, water, and powdered sugar. Then this is for the cookies.
My dad started teaching me, but one day.
You can screenshot this.
No.
This is the exact recipe that I'm gonna make. Let's get started.
Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go, no need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go, no stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go, let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
is my timer. So I am up to my head in cookies. I'll show you guys right now. I have some in the oven. I have some right here that need to go in. Those are number 2s. I have like a dozen number 2s here, Elmo's, the street signs right here. I have more signs, and then Cookie Monsters and Elmo's, and then this is the last bit that needs to go in. And now I'm going to start making my royal icing. So for this, you're going to need meringue powder. You can buy this at Walmart or Hobby Lobby, even Michael's has them. Light corn syrup, I use this one. Clear vanilla extract, you can get, I have the one from Mexico and this one, but you can also get the Wilton brand. This is just the imitation clear vanilla extract, so I use that one. And then you're gonna need water and powdered sugar. So I'm gonna make that, and then I'm gonna put I'm gonna have to make 6 colors for the cookies, so I'm gonna put them in each bottle. And then each little recipe or whatever, you use 1 whole bag, which is 2 pounds of confectioner sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on doing that, and hopefully we get to finish soon because I'm super duper tired. Hi, with your rain boots and pajamas. Okay, so once the royal icing is done, it should look like this, really white and like fluffy. But I'm gonna color mine, so in the meantime you have to cover it with a wet cloth, because if you don't, it's going to get really hard. So just make sure you cover it. I have all of my cookies here. I still have some in the oven, so I'm gonna look up the ones that I'm gonna do and then start dyeing my icing. I've been sitting here with this really bad angle for like, it's already 5:57. I've been baking since like 11 this morning, and I haven't even, like, I finished baking. Well, not even, because I'm still like doing stuff. We're eating tamales right here. This is what the cookies look like so far. This is my first time doing them, you guys, so be easy on me. But I have all of those to frost, all of those, and I have more up there, and I need to finish these. Hi. Daddy's eating food. What is it? Tamales? Tamales. So I think mamales. I hope I'm done with Elmo so that I can get started on Cookie Monster. But this is what they look like so far. Like I said, it is my very first time. Cut me some slack. I'm so tired. My back hurts really bad from sitting here, because you have to outline them first, like you guys saw. You have to outline them and then do the smile, wait for that to dry, and then you have to do the white for the eyeballs, and then you have to do the wet on wet method to add the actual like pupil, and then you have to fill in the face. So it's very time consuming. I have about 90 something cookies that I need to do, and I've only done a dozen, 24. So I'm gonna eat real quick and I'm gonna keep on going. I'm sorry I'm not vlogging a whole lot of it. I'll ask Bert when he's done eating to see if he wants to record me doing stuff. If not, I'll just show you guys when I'm done. Dad says remember, it goes right up to his nose, his eyes. Smart ass. Not, I will do them. Get out of here.
Why?
No. Babe, you're not even doing it right.
Yeah, like it's like this. I got a crap.
What? I'm doing the Cookie Monsters, and he said he could do the noses. Let me see. Let me fix it.
The red is still wet.
Well, it's because you started on the wrong ones.
How am I supposed to know those ones done?
Oh my god, look at this one's nose. Oh my gosh, it's a good thing I got an extra one. Hold this.
Is this one done?
Yeah. Why would you do that? No, I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it.
No.
I'm gonna do it.
Let me see.
Let me see. Let me see.
Babe, hold this.
Let me see. No, papa, mommy.
You better do it right.
Show your face.
Look what he did.
Just like I knew they would. Turns out I don't need it now. Tell me I'm a good guy. But if that little kid likes me,
Babe, that's not even a circle.
I thought you said it was an oval.
Yeah, but that's not even a circle or an oval. Ay, la otra, shut up. I'm gonna spank you, shut up.
Huh?
No, dude. Oh my, hold this. You're messing them up. Babe, it's not funny.
It's really funny.
Look. Lines are all crooked.
The mommy. You made it worse.
I'm trying to make it even. Let me show you how it's done. It is 9:55 and I'm sitting in the exact same spot. She's eating an apple. 8 dozen cookies later, I'm done. But I still need 2 more dozens to go, but I'm gonna do those tomorrow because I'm super duper tired. My back hurts so bad from sitting here literally all day long. I did not move from here all day long, but I'm really happy with how they turned out. Remember, I said it was my very first time making them, so don't judge me, but I look super tired. But I just did these number 2s that I'm gonna finish decorating tomorrow. I just wanted to ice them all today. And then we got the 2 dozen Elmos here, and then the Cookie Monsters here. These are another 2 dozen. The ones that I have left to do are the street signs. I don't know if you guys can see them in there. They're those, but I have them in here just so they won't dry out. And then that was like the first one that I messed up, so. But that is it. I am all kinds of tired right now. I'm so tired. My back hurts so bad. I'm going to take a big old sleeping pill and go to bed because I'm not even like exaggerating when I say how bad my back hurts. I'm not even gonna put this stuff away right now. Put it away tomorrow. Someone took a shower. Well, my sister actually gave her a bath. It is 9:58 at night. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Say see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.
Tomorrow.
Adiós.